Understanding the customer journey is a crucial piece for any business aspiring to deliver exceptional customer experiences and build long-lasting relationships. By differentiating between the buyer journey and the customer journey, comprehending the significance of a customer journey mapping, and recognizing the various stages, businesses can align their strategies to meet customers' expectations at every touch point. So let's dive in and explore what a customer journey can look like for your business. Let's start with the difference between the buyer journey and the customer journey. The buyer journey primarily focuses on the purchasing process, covering the stages from initial need recognition to making a purchase decision. It revolves around marketing and sales efforts to influence customer decisions during this specific event. On the other hand, the customer journey encompasses the entire experience a customer has with a company, starting from their initial interaction through various stages, including pre-purchase, purchase, and post-purchase phases. It considers every touchpoint the customer encounters, such as marketing campaigns, customer service interactions, product usage, and support experiences. The customer journey map is a powerful tool used to visualize the customer's experience throughout their entire journey. It typically consists of a timeline that includes various touchpoints and interactions the customer goes through. Creating a customer journey involves gathering customer data and feedback to understand their needs, emotions, pain points, and motivations at each stage of their journey. This can help businesses identify opportunities for improvement, areas of friction, and moments where they can delight their customers. The first stage is awareness. During this stage, customers become aware of a company's existence and the products or services that it offers. Some examples of ways to generate awareness for your business are online advertisements, search engine optimization or SEO, conferences, trade shows, offline options like billboards, radio, and TV, presentations, and of course, workshops. The second stage is consideration. In the consideration stage, customers actively research and compare different options to meet their needs. They explore product features, pricing, and reviews to help them make an informed decision. The consideration stage can best be defined as a mutual exchange of information. As a business, you are learning about what potential customers are interested in and what they're looking for. And a customer is learning what a business has to offer and how you compare to your competition. Examples of actions taken by contacts in the consideration stage are shopping carts created, welcome series completed, webinars attended, service or pricing pages visited, and trials created. The third stage is the decision stage. The decision stage is when prospects make their final purchase choice and become customers. This is the big stage that everybody loves, right? It's the money stage. This stage is critical for businesses as customers assess various factors such as pricing, product quality, and overall value propositions. Your actions that can impact the decision stage for customers all lie in the experience that you create for them. Did you schedule reach outs? Did you educate them on the value of your company and the products and services that you offer them? Did you deliver coupon codes and incentives to push them over that decision line? Did you involve all the necessary stakeholders? The fourth stage is growth. After the purchase, businesses continue to engage with customers to ensure satisfaction and foster loyalty. This stage involves providing excellent customer support, addressing any concerns, and encouraging repeat business. In the growth stage, you can offer upsells and cross-sells based on the customer's previous purchase. You can also introduce customer education so your customers understand the full landscape of their new tool or feature. And you can spend time trying to learn more about your customers and what they're interested in so you can better serve them in the future. The final stage is advocacy. This stage is one in which your customers become your best promoters of your business. They're the new arm of your marketing efforts, and they attract new prospects into your customer journey cycle. This is the point in which we are identifying customers who we've wowed throughout their journey, and we leverage them as an additional arm of our marketing efforts, like I said. Something to consider in the advocacy stage is the reviews of your business. And not just the review itself, but where the customers are leaving that review. So it is hopefully in front of as many prospects as possible. For example, here at ActiveCampaign, when we ask someone to review the ActiveCampaign platform, we point them to the platform G2, which is the largest and most trusted software marketplace. More than 80 million people annually use G2 to make smarter software decisions based on authentic peer reviews. We ask customers to review us here because we know that 86% of software buyers use peer review sites when buying new software. So we want to make sure that those people see all of the great things that our current ActiveCampaign customers have to say about our business and our software when they're making their own decisions. But alternatively, if I was a wedding photographer, I would push my clients to review services on The Knot, which offers all-in-one wedding planning with easy-to-use tools, guides, and inspo to make couples' wedding planning journey as easy as possible. We choose The Knot because we know that that's where newly engaged couples may go to find a photographer for their big day. And I want them to see how many past couples have loved my work and loved working with me, so they'll consider me as their vendor as well. Everyone's customer journey map is going to look different because you have a unique business and customers that you are mapping these steps out for. But with these 5 stages, you will be able to decode your customer engagement steps and enhance their experience every step of the way. Now that we have a sense of the steps that our customers may go through during their experience with us, let's go even deeper and develop some personas that can help us understand our potential customers even more. A buyer persona is a semi-fictional representation of our ideal customer for our business. It's a detailed profile that encompasses various characteristics, behaviors, and preferences of a target customer. Buyer personas help businesses understand, empathize, and connect with their customers on a deeper level. They are essential tools for tailoring marketing strategies, product development, and customer interactions to effectively meet the needs and desires of specific customer segments. A typical buyer persona includes information such as demographics like age, gender, location, income level, and education, job title, job role, or company, the problems, obstacles, or pain points the persona faces that your product or service can address, the specific goals, aspirations, or objectives that this persona wants to achieve, how the persona behaves, their preferred communication channels, content types, and buying behaviors, what motivates the persona to make a purchasing decision, including emotional and logical factors, buying habits, like how and where the persona shops or researches products, and what influences their purchasing decisions. Buyer personas are like the heartbeat of personalized marketing. They are the key to adding a human touch to your marketing campaigns. Now that we understand the importance of buyer personas, it's time to learn how to create them for your business. Creating a buyer persona involves both art and science. It's a structured process that starts with data and evolves into a detailed representation of your ideal customers. So let's chat about how to do this. Step 1 is research. Throughout this research phase, you collect data about your audience, their demographics, interests, and behavior. This could involve surveys, interviews, and data analytics. Step 2 is identifying patterns. During this phase, look for common characteristics among your audience. You'll identify shared demographics, interests, and challenges. Step 3 is persona creation. Now it's time to give your personas names, faces, and backstories. The more detailed you can be here, the better. Step 5 is implementation. Your personas should now influence your content, product development, and marketing strategies. They guide your decision and keep your marketing customer-centric. By creating well-defined buyer personas, businesses can effectively target their marketing efforts, develop products that cater to their customers' needs, and offer personalized experiences that resonate with their audience. It's important to create multiple buyer personas for different customer segments to ensure a comprehensive understanding of your customer base. Now you are ready to really understand your customers and their journey with your business. Happy automating!
Subscribe to our channel below for more content like this. And to try ActiveCampaign free for 14 days, visit ActiveCampaign.com.